told Winston that we could take all the ornaments off of the tree when they got home because I bought a box, like an ornament storage box at TJ Maxx to put them in. I told him that I would have it all set up so that we could take the ornaments off of the tree when he got home. So we're doing that, but we have to be quiet because Gage came up earlier today and he's asleep on the couch, so we're being very quiet. I think all of that is all my ornaments. Okay. Winston wanted to put all his ornaments together. Here's this one. Oh yeah, you can just put it next to it. I've been storing my tree in the box that it came in, but that box is falling apart. So I just ordered a bag to put it in, and that won't be here until next week. I should have just went to Walmart. Our Walmart is always so busy. The parking is so like just complicated, and so unless I have to go, I don't. So I didn't get that, but we were at TJ Maxx the other day. They didn't have a tree bag, but they had these storage boxes, which is nice because I've also just been, yeah, I'm gonna put those on top, so don't put those in yet.
Good.
Yeah, I normally put my ornaments in bags that I've had for years. I don't even know how long I've had these bags. They're just like from a store, and then I put them in a tote.
Guys.
But I think Casey threw my bags away because I can't find them, and it's messy. I'm trying to like clean it up, you know.
My friend brought a baby brother. She's like this big.
Was it a little French bulldog?
Yeah.
I saw her for a second, but I thought that's what it was. She was so cute.
Her name's.
Shh.
His name's Duke.
His name's Duke.
Dookie.
Doogie. That's cute. He's a cutie.
And I get to pet him, but first we all had to wash our hands.
Yeah, because it's just a little baby.
Yeah. And we still have
so
to
fun.
do it. This thing I got from my mom and my dad.
Winston made this. It's so cute.
It's for my mom and it's for mom and dad.
It's so good. I think Winston put yours in here. Did you?
Where?
Is that Layla's?
This is mine.
Okay. So you can just start.
Yours is just
You can
right over
put
there.
all of yours in one box if you want.
Look what I made for my mom.
I
It was
forgot
like
we made that.
the first year of Christmas, the first year of preschool, like the very first one.
That's cute. Okay, well, we're just getting started.
I have a good place for this to go.
This one's Layla's. Layla has the same teacher Winston had when he was in kindergarten.
But look,
And
what does this say?
made with love.
This was
And
mine.
then
This was mine. This
that's so cute.
mine's bigger than his.
Yeah, it is. It's so cute. I
And
love it.
thicker.
We'll make a little one for Gage. We'll make a little slot for Gage also. Already put Bob Ross in there. You want to move them? You can move them by yours if you want. And one for Bravery. Bravery's are glass, so I don't think we can like double up on them. She already broke that one. That's cute.
Look, guys. So this was my one from last year. This was my one from
I think
this
they
year.
might need their own. But just don't put the two glass ones together
So I tried
so they don't bang together.
for Christmas. One Christmas, I got this for my mom. It was supposed to be a heart, then it got destroyed.
And
I
I
don't
think
know.
Rosie might have gotten it. Because she was sleeping under
This was in like kindergarten, so probably in the bag it got all messed
Yeah,
up.
just still put it in there. And we'll see
Okay.
if we can get it figured out. I think that, yeah, I can't remember. I think that was from preschool.
Yeah, it's been in there for a long time.
Yeah. We filled up one box, so we might go and get another one, or I might just, I mean, there's not very many, and they're really big and kind of like odd shaped, you know, the snowflakes. So I might just put them in a smaller tote that I have and put it downstairs. That'll be fine. It's really nice though, having this. Look how cute. You can see all of our little ornaments.
You can see the pig watching something. Then you can see my robots.
So, I don't know. I'm pretty sure that they only had the boxes like that, and like I said, maybe Walmart, but also maybe not. I'm sure everything's probably pretty picked over. So something else that Winston, shh, goodness. I also got this. Anything that's left over from Christmas is so cheap right now. And normally I'm like, I don't care how cheap it is. I don't need anything else. But I did also get this shower curtain so that we'll have it next year. because I got the little bath mat and that will like match the colors. And I thought it was so fun having that. So I thought that would be fun for next year. Winston's reading.
The Bad Guys.
The Bad Guys.
I'm on chapter 2.
He's doing so good.
I started last night.
Good job, buddy.
So
He's excited to start reading again. So I was like, do we want to go right now and get more storage? And he was like, wanting to read. So I was like, it's fine. I have enough storage boxes still. So, and at least we have this. We have a start. Now I can get just a smaller one and put those ornaments in. So it's great. Oh, that's a lot. That's all from, we read for a little while together last night, and then he read a little bit more himself.
This morning.
Like, you're doing great. Good job.
So I just read this last night and this morning.
Good job.
The way to school and the way back to school.
Good boy. Okay, well, I'm gonna edit, okay? Stop, you're gonna wake Gage up. Go downstairs and do that, okay? He got a couple of basketball hoops that go on doors, which is so fun. He got a Dude Perfect one that he was really excited about from Santa, and it's driving me crazy. Like, hey guys, I hope you're all having a good day. Today's been a really good day. It's been a busy day, but in the best way. This morning I cut Beckham, my little nephew Beckham's hair. He's just the cutest, and I don't know, just when you see him, he just like brightens your whole day. And then I took Gage over to Grandma Laurie's because she feeds the kids lunch once a week, and they were getting together today, so I went over there and I ended up staying and having lunch and visiting with Laurie and the cousins for a little while. I feel like we're so lucky to be surrounded by family, and when we get together and we get to see each other, it makes me just wish that we did more, but also feel so grateful that we're able to do that. I grew up with my cousins. They just lived right by me, so we hung out all the time. And so it's really important to me that my kids get to hang out with their cousins, so I just love when they get to. I think that those relationships are really important. So, I mean, and how lucky are they that they all live in the same town? That is not very common, I feel like, anymore. And it just makes me really happy that they're all together. Also, Casey's home, so that makes everything just so much better. Casey's actually picking the kids up from school right now. And I was just looking at this little house. Carly got this for Layla for Christmas from either Lenny or Elliot. I can't remember which one, but it's just the cutest. We've had these before, these little houses that you can color. I guess I should show it. But it's been a few years since we've had one. So there's so much more detail that Layla has put into this, and it is just cracking me up. I just love their imaginations, and I love seeing their creative sides come out. And so it's been really fun just looking at this. Braylee helped her color for a little while. This is when she was taking a little more time to color. But look, closed. This is the closed side. And then over here, it's like a little like restaurant type situation, you know? I didn't realize that at first, but it's so cute. I noticed this when she was first working on it, that she made these sun chips. We had a big package of sun chips, and so that made me laugh. And then up here, of course, the fries are from McDonald's because McDonald's has the best fries. Just so cute. Okay, now I'll show you over here. You can see that this is where she got like maybe kind of tired of coloring, and I get it. But she can still go back in for the detail. This is really cute. And then this sign says open, open. Okay, this is the best. So this is where the menu is. Rosie loves it too. Casey and I were trying to figure out what this said, and I think we have it all figured out. So you can get a Big Mac, obviously, a salad, hot dog, pizza, ice cream, banana split, cake, and cupcakes. How cute is that? It just made me happy. I love stuff like that. Also, I got a new bag for my tree, so I think I'm officially taking the tree down. I have all the rest of the decorations down, but I've been waiting for this bag to be delivered, and it just got here this morning. So taking my tree down. We did get all the ornaments taken off. I was sad for a second about taking my Christmas decorations down, but once I got them taken down, I was like, okay, this feels better. Anyway, I need to get that done sometime today. I was just telling Gage, he was up here. I was like, oh man, you're my helper. He always helps me with everything, and now he's out of commission for a little while, but not too much longer. He goes to the doctor on Monday, and they'll take the staples out and check everything, and then he'll be able to go back to school. I'm not sure if he'll wear a boot or what he'll be doing. The doctor did seem confident that he'll be able to put weight on it, but can't put any weight on it. It just feels so uncomfortable and painful for him to put weight on it right now. So I can't imagine that in a week he'll be able to walk. I was hoping that after talking to the doctor, but I just don't see how that would be possible. I don't know. Maybe it could be better by then, but we'll find out Monday. So that will be good. And he'll be able to go back to school. And I think he'll be ready. I think he'll be ready to go back to school. I mean, I think he is ready to go back to school. I think he's pretty bored. Do you want to go out, Rosie? Huh? You want to go outside? Taco Tuesday on a Wednesday. Yum. Dad made tacos for dinner.
I was gonna ask. I told him that it was Wednesday. Wednesday.
Get down.
Okay, guys, want me?
I'll have tacos anytime.
Look,
Any day of the week.
Look, guys.
Woo!
No, let me do it over here.
Okay, go ahead. Go for it. Woo!
Let me show you something that I learned at gymnastics.
Great. Great job.
Great.
Fantastic, Layla. Good work.
I did
Here's
it.
Winston.
I did it at camp.
This is a taco shell, and
Is it hot or is it a Dorito?
it's hot.
It is? Is it good?
It's a talkie
Kind of.
Oh,
yeah.
a talkie
It's-
kind?
yeah.
Cool.
It's burning my lips.
Yeah. Has anyone called Bray Bray down?
She went to Coach Cheer, she said.
Oh, she did? I guess it's just us. Gage is downstairs, but he has friends over, so I'm sure he doesn't want to come up here and eat with us. We're boring. But I'm happy that his friends are here hanging out.